Hi guys, my name is Tien and today I'm gonna teach you a dishes of Vietnamese food. Okay, it's named sweet and sour pork. Yeah, I think so. And let's go shopping to get some ingredients. Okay.
Bảo anh ơi, xong chưa?
Không có gì để mặc hết. Cùng sắp pi 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 pi.
Okay, enough for Shopee advertising. We will have pork, fish sauce, soy sauce, sugar, Ajinomoto, onion, green onion, garlic, dầu mè, mè oil, pepper from Phú Quốc, chili sauce, and sugar melt, nước hạt. Okay, let's start cooking. First, we want to slice onion into pieces, crushed garlic, and pork slice. After done all of that, we'll put a little onion, a little garlic, a quarter of coffee spoon Ajinomoto, 1 spoon fish sauces, and we're gonna marinate this. Mix this, okay? With your hand. Remember to clean your hand first. Okay, after mixed it, we're gonna let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Okay.
2,000 years later.
Okay, first we will need a pan. Put in some oil. Okay. Mix some onion, garlic, and after that, we're gonna put in some soy sauces, chili sauce, and then we put pork in. Okay, after about 3 minutes, and we put in some sugar, just a little bit. Okay, put some mè oil, mix a little bit. Okay, we put in some sugar melt. Okay, just a little bit. For the last step, we'll put in some onion. Okay, this one, and pepper. Lots of add pepper to make our dish more flavor. Okay. Okay, done.
Welcome back to my reaction channel. So today I'm gonna taste my brother dishes. Maybe this is the first time he cooked these dishes. Wow, it tastes really delicious. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. And after this video, I hope you guys knows how to cook this, and hope you guys will cook a lot of different food for your family. Okay. See ya.
Bye.
Ôi giời ơi, Gớm diễn hơi bị sâu. Gớm đâu đi đâu lại chẳng ngon. Gớm nói gì rõ hay.
Cắt.